Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. My name is Nabil Mustafa. I'm a student from Jakarta University, majoring in economic education. Today, I'm honored to present the result of my internship at PT Kopel Bulog, a cooperative that play a strategic role in supporting the welfare of its member and contributes to the ecosystem of Bulog itself. This presentation will walk you through my experience and learning journey, starting from the introduction, company overview, tax and I held a short tax simulation, the challenge I face, and finally my personal conclusion and recommendation. Let's begin. Okay, in the slide two, the field work practice program or the internship is very important component of higher education because it allows students to experience firsthand what is meant to work in a professional setting instead of just learning from textbook or lectures. Internship offer us the opportunity to see how theories are actually applied in the workplace. During my time at PT Kopel Bulog, I was involved in cooperative operational activities particularly in the accounting and taxation departments. This was a golden opportunity to better understand how financial transactions are managed, how tax reports are prepared, and how digital systems support the workflow in a cooperative organization. What made this internship especially valuable was not just technical knowledge I gained, but also the development of my professional mindset, including the importance of discipline, collaboration, and adaptability in dynamic working environment. You see, in my PPT, the first of content is introduction, two is for a fifth of couple block, three implementation of internship, and the four is simulation for pajak, and the last is closing. Okay, next in slide three, introduction. PT Kopel Bulog was established on March sorry, introduction. The Fieldworks Practice Program (PKL) is one of the strategic effort in higher education to strengthen the student skill growth, their experience is the world of work. In its implementation, the internship becomes a bridge between the theory obtained in the lecture hall and the practice in the field. Internship at PT Kapol Block provide opportunity for students be directly involved in comparative operational activity, especially in the accounting and taxation units. Through this activity, student not only understand he bookkeeping and text reporting process, but also homework skills, professional ethics, and the ability to adapt in a dynamic and collaborative work environment. Next, okay, we're gonna slide four. In this case, Bulog Corporation profile. Okay, well, PT Kopel Bulog was established on March Street 1981 with the main mission of improving the welfare of its member. It operates under Bulog and self cooperative that focus on both saving and loan service as well as commercial activities. The cooperative vision is to become reliable institution that support the needs of its member while cooperating to block broader strategic plan, especially in the commercial sector. What I found is very how the cooperative not only function of financial institution but also emphasis mutual benefit, long-term planning, and economic inclusion. This aligns well with the spirit of a cooperative Indonesia, prioritizing member welfare who will operate sustainable. Okay, in the vision, we have the to make a reliable cooperative for the welfare of its member, and the mission, and the first carrying out service tax to members, and number two, organizing business activity that provide benefit for member and forum block. And the last, organizing the couple program in line with block long term plan especially in the commercial sector. Business fields is number one is saving and loan. Number two is service, and the last commerce. Okay, next in the slide 5, we're gonna structure in division. Look, the you can look the structure and division. Couple Bullock has a well-organized structure with clear division that handle different operational responsibility. Each department was together to ensure smooth cooperative function, from finance to administration, and from loan service to taxation. As an intern, I primarily worked within the finance and tax division, where I had the chance to interact with professionals for real-time transaction and assist in regulatory complaints. This environment gives me a clearer understanding of how every part of an organization must function as harmoniously to deliver excellent service to its member and the focus saving on one service and public commerce. Okay, next I have job description of internship. Maybe I have a simulation the table, but it is a simulation. And in the first, we had input financial transaction. Nah, my core responsibility includes several practical tasks such as inputting financial transaction into the accounting system, helping to prepare PPH 21 tax reports, recapping necessary tax document, and assisting with a filing through the official tax portal. Each of these tasks allowed me to apply what I had learned in university to real workplace condition. For example, understanding PPH 21 not just a concept, but seeing how monthly salaries are taxed, how the deduction work, and how important timely and accurate reporting is for legal completion. This hand on experience informed my ability to work with financial document, increased my attention to detail, and taught me the importance of consistency and accuracy in administrative process. And the next, we're gonna slide 6, text simulation PPH 21. We're gonna look, I have a simulation. So, to the future solidify my understanding, I conducted a simulation of PPH 21 text, which is a tax imposed on individual employee income. In the simulation, we assume there were three 30 employees earning 5 million rupiah per month. After calculating annual taxable income and applying the proper deduction, we found that each employee will earn 300 rupiah annually in PPH 21, resulting in a total tax amount of 9 million per year. Through this exercise, I learned how gross income is converted into taxable income, how deduction and not taxable income are considered, and how the final tax liability is calculated. This knowledge will be useful in my future career, especially if I work in accounting or financial consultancy. And next, the next slide is number 8 side. Okay, the obstacle and solution. The first about obstacle. Naturally, no internship come without challenge. One of the main obstacle I felt was the gap between theory and practice. What we study on income on campus is often structure and idea, will in the real world process are dynamic and sometimes require improvisation. Another challenge was updating to new software issued by Couple Bullock. At first, it felt overwhelming, but with the help of the staff and through my own initiative to explore and learn, I was able to adjust quickly. To overcome this challenge, I relied on staff guidance, teamwork, and I be independent learning. I also made use of the learning research from campus, such as the cooperative accounting model and tax regulation reference to help fill in the knowledge gaps. Okay, and the next slide is on slide number 9 about theory practice gap. I think in the first is the I, I this structure theory encompasses flexible practice, and in the theories, I'm usually am always flexible and not vague about in the explanation. And the next, I have the faster feeling and producer in the field. I- And the next slide is the number 10 slide recommendation. Okay, guys, we have the recommendation. For the couple, we have number one is internship grade and software training. Number two is software training. And for the State of University of Jakarta, is the first cooperative accounting model, and number two tax profession. From this internship experience, I would like to give a few recommendations for video interest. Try to learn the basic of accounting software in advance and make sure you understand Indonesian tax policy. Stay proactive and don't hesitate to ask a question because your curiosity is your best tool. Okay, next, and maybe we gonna close. To close, I want to express my deepest gratitude for PT Kopal Bulog for giving me the chance to learn, grow, and contribute. This internship gave me a valuable glimpse into the world of finance, taxation, and cooperative management. It also reminded me that learning don't stop in the classroom. It continues in every task we do, every mistake we fix, and every challenge we face. Thank you for attention. I hope this presentation has given you insight into my internship experience. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy with my video and understand. My Nabi, I'm go to out. Muhammad Nabi Mustafa Sidik. Nah, NIM 17016222154. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.